How to solve Rubik's Cube. Only 4 moves to remember. No algorithms. No endless repeat same moves. No memorization. No notations. Yes, it's possible. At beginning we ignore corners and we do only edges. On first layer we do cross and centers. Then we apply the same principles to the second and third layer. When all edges are done, we solve corners one by one, until we finish a cube. Let's start. Scramble cube. Hide corners. First layer. Just use any move. First layer solved. Second layer. Move this edge. Here. Let's try. No. Open history window, to roll back move. Try another move. We spoil first layer. Roll back moves. And finally, correct move. How to apply 4 moves. Only 2 layers are involved, right and top. First move, right layer go up. Second move, top layer go right. And now we retrieve these 2 moves. Right layer go down. And top layer go left. We can see what we have done. In history window. Save. Open player window. Execute for moves. After we executed method, cube state was changed, and we need to roll back these changes. Click Revert button in player window. Until we revert cube to previous state. Now we can create rollback method. We just need to select undo moves. Set name and shortcut. Save. Continue with second layer. This edge need to rotate clockwise. And to turn over. Because we need clockwise rotation. We will run 4 moves method. Now, next edge. This edge we need to rotate clockwise. But, if we run 4 moves method, edge go to right place, but also turn over. Roll back this, run Undo4 method. Let's try something else. Now, this edge, we need to rotate counterclockwise. But, he will rotate around x-axis, and edge will not turn over. To turn over, edge must be placed at z-axis. So, how to do that? We rotate whole cube. Now, when we run Undo4 method, edge will be placed correctly and will turn over. Last edge in second layer. Find this yellow-red edge. It's here. This edge need to rotate counterclockwise. And also need to turn over. But is placed on x-axis. Rotate whole cube. Run Undo4 method. Second layer solved. Third layer. All edges with blue colors are now in third layer. We need to make blue cross. This color we want to place here. And this color we want here. Let's start. Try to create blue cross. Open Player and History windows. Run 4 moves method. Turn on axis helpers. This edge need to go here. This is counterclockwise rotation around Z axis. This edge need to go here. This is counterclockwise rotation around X axis. And this edge need to rotate counterclockwise around Y axis. But this edge must turn over. This color must go here. And this color, here. So, all 3 edges need to rotate counterclockwise. But, red-blue edge must turn over. We must set this edge as Z-axis. We need to rotate whole cube. This edge is now placed as Z-axis. Run Undo4 method. We get blue cross here. Retrieve cube to start position. We can create new method. This method we will use to create cross in third layer. Let's run this L2X method. As you can see, L2X method is composed of 2 methods. 4 moves and rotate whole cube. Then undo 4 and retrieve cube at start position. We made cross in third layer. In third layer, colors can create L, line and dot pattern. To show example, open colors window. Blue colors create line pattern. We need 2 times to run L2X method. Now we have L, run 1 more time. Let's create dot pattern. We need to run L2X method 2 times. And again. Finishing third layer. We have cross. We need to set edges positions. These 2 are at correct place. But, these 2 need to swap positions. Let's try, move this here. This edge is at right place. But blue-white need to be placed here. We can do that with clockwise rotation. This edge we need to move outside of third layer. And need to go here. With clockwise rotation. Run 4 moves method. These 2 edges are in right positions. We move these 2 edges aside. And what we have now? This edge we need to rotate here. and this edge here. Run 4 moves method. Done. Save this moves into method. We can simplify this method. These 2 moves nullify each other, they are redundant. Third layer completed. We have solved cube edges, layer by layer. And now let's start with the corners. Show corners. If we run 4 moves, we will see. This corner will go here. This corner will go here. This corner will go here. And this corner will go here. So, these 2 corners will swap positions. These 2 corners also swap, but we ignore these 2. We need to put this corner between these centers. How to solve this corner right and not to spoil the rest? Do 4 moves method. Now, this corner is at right place. We need to keep this corner at right place. So, we need to move this corner aside. Because we already do 4 moves. Now, we will do undo 4 method. Because we do 4 moves then undo 4, edges are on right place. We solve this corner. These corners have moved to new positions. Let's try another corner. We have here white-green colors. Let's find edges with the same colors in this layer. Colors now match. Do 4 moves method. This corner is not at right place. Rotate layer, set this corner. Because we run 4 moves, now, we must run undo 4 method. So, we solve this corner white green orange. Let's find next corner. What to do next? If we want to solve this layer with yellow color, we need to find this yellow color in this layer, somewhere on layer sides. Let's solve yellow side. We have here blue-red colors. Set blue-red edges. But yellow color is at bottom now. So we must start with undo 4 method this time. Rotate layer, set not solved corner. Do 4 moves method. If we now look remaining corners, we will see they are at right positions. But, they have wrong orientation. This is special case, we must run first method 2 times. And then his reflection method 2 times. We need to do that in order to orientate remaining corners. This corner also have right position. Let's start with this corner. Do Undo4 method 2 times. Corner went down, then return up. So, corner change orientation. Set next corner. Once we run Undo4 2 times. Now, we need to run 4 moves 2 times. Only 2 corners left. Put both corners in same layer. Run 4 moves method 2 times. Set next corner. Run Undo4 method 2 times. We have solved the cube. Complete demo how to solve cube. Let's start with blue. For first layer, we can use any move. We solved the first layer. Now, middle layer. Do Undo4. Again Undo4. Do 4 moves. For moves. We solved the middle layer. Now, third layer. Create cross, do 4 moves. Then Undo4. We have cross in third layer. These 2 are okay. Swap these 2 edges positions. Do 4 moves. Keep these 2 edges. Do 4 moves. We solved edges. We do not have red color on right layer sides. Let's try with yellow. Do 4 moves. Do Undo4. No more yellow colors. 2 green corners left. Do Undo4. Do 4 moves. Solve red color. one corner left in this layer. But we cannot use this red corner, because we need at least 2 red unsolved corners. But, for blue color we have 2 unsolved corners in layer, so we can move this remain blue corner. Do 4 moves. Do undo 4. Now we have 2 unsolved white corners in this layer. Do 4 moves. Do undo 4. We have solved the cube.